easing, which alters the look and feel of an animation by affecting its speed and timing to achieve a more natural movement. Procreate Dreams comes with 4 common easing curves to help you bring more organic motion to your animation. First, we have linear easing, which gives your animation a constant speed. Ease in will make your animation start slower and gradually pick up speed at the end. Ease out works the opposite, where your animation will start out fast and then gradually slow down at the end. Ease in and out combines these 2 easing types together. Your animation will start slowly before picking up speed, then reach a constant before slowing down towards the end.